on, pet lovers? My name is Vivaldi II, and today there was a pretty big blizzard outside. Here it is. Here you go, so it's literally snowing out there. Alright, I'm outside and it's pretty cold out. Hey there, Sadie. Hey, big girl. Hanging out in the snow. Hey, how do you like it? It's cold. Here she is, right here. And she's just curious, and yeah, I'm gonna put her down. There she is. You might be able to see her at my feet. Yeah, it's really cold out, and there's construction going on in the neighborhood. Yeah, it's not too much. There's probably gonna be some new houses, but yeah, let's go back inside. See you later, Sadie. Hope to let you back soon. So yeah, it is freezing out there, and I'll check on Sadie in a few minutes. Alright, it's 1 o'clock now, and I think I should go check on Sadie, because it was 12:45 when I last recorded. She is, oh, there she is. She's right there. Still out there. Sadie! Come here, big girl. Come here. Here she comes. Here she comes. Oh, there she is. Oh, there she is. You're back inside, big girlie. Oh, come here. Oh, love you. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, after you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure to tap the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Fireboy_Vivaldi2. Peace out, everyone.